All right, I just worked out. I'm sweaty. I'm going to take a shower. But before I take a shower, personal hygiene, very important. And I hate to say it, we all have to do it, especially guys. We got to trim our nose here with this little guy, Phillips Norelco. And it just keeps you looking, fresh. Guys don't lose their hair when they get older. It just kind of grows into their head and out their ears and their nose. So this is simple. And you don't look funny out in public. You have a big hair hanging out of your nose. And anyway, but I'm going to show you that the trick is to just kind of go around the edges. So you just kind of insert it right here. And there you go. But you just kind of go around the edges. There you go. Yep. And wait. Just get everything. Wait, let me get the other nostril. There we go. Hold on. Okay. And so that's how you trim your nose hair. And I think I look much better than having all that hair in my nose. The more you know.